So in past couple of weeks, we have seen a lot of fitness tracker at TechVisor. We have this Honor Band 4, Mi Band 3, Lenovo Ego and much more. But Mi Bands always wins the game. And now that we have Mi Band 4, let's see if it will continue its legacy. Now we all know from leaks and rumors that the new Mi Band 4 comes with built-in activity monitor and the much needed color screen. But this also raised two important questions. Is it a worthy upgrade than the Mi Band 3? And most importantly, how is it compared to the Honor Band 4? Well, let's find out. Hi there, this is Mina from TechVisor.com and I have been enjoying the Mi Band 4 for quite some time now. Now this one is the international variant that we imported from China, which costs somewhere around 169 yuan or 1700 INR. But there's another variant of Mi Band 4 with NFC and Chinese voice assist, which we speculate will only sell in China. So this review is gonna be around Mi Band 4 without NFC. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So as you can see in the box, you get the Mi Band 4, the proprietary charger and a couple of booklets. Now a QR code could have been better than this booklet, but I guess it's okay. Anyway, the most obvious upgrade is the display. This is the first Mi Band to come with colorful display, which is also slightly bigger than the Mi Band 3. You know what? Bigger displays are cool. It really helps when you are swimming or running outside. But what I really want to check is how does the screen perform outdoors? So let's put it to test. So this is the Mi Band 3 with dim display. And here is Honor Band 4, which is far brighter. And here comes the Mi Band 4. So turns out the Mi Band 4 display is slightly brighter than the Honor Band 4. And you know what? That's not all. You also get a couple of watch faces to customize the look. And coming from a Galaxy Watch user, I can vouch for it. Another worthy upgrade is the inbuilt activity tracker such as treadmills, cycling and swimming etc. And since I'm finally learning how to swim, I can see features like swim styles such as backstroke, butterfly stroke and medley etc. I'm excited to test these features next time I go to the pool. Now other than the colored display and watch faces, there are few minor improvements in Mi Band 4 like Bluetooth 5.0 which will improve the range and 6-axis motion sensor which will possibly improve the step counter and sleep tracking. So a bigger and better display, inbuilt activity tracker, Bluetooth 5.0 and 6-axis motion tracker. That's it. That's all you get in Mi Band 4 compared to Mi Band 3. Pretty much everything else stays the same like the alarm, find my phone, notification, step counter, sleep tracking and heart rate monitor etc. We tested each of them but we will keep our final judgment for our review article. And yeah, before we forget, just like Mi Band 3, it's waterproof up to 50 meters. You will also be able to control Mi Band 4 with third-party applications like Mi Tools. So you will be able to control camera, music and set up smart alarms etc. Just let us know if you want a detailed video in the comment section below. As an upgrade, the Mi Band 4 gives you all the perks of Mi Band 3 like the integration with third-party application, and yet you have extra features like color display and inbuilt activity monitor. That being said, there are few things which could have been improved. Like it would have been awesome if I could reply to notification directly from the Mi Band 4. Now I understand the screen has its limitation, but a simple yes and no preset would have been awesome. I use this all the time on my Galaxy Watch. But for this price, no complaints. And speaking of complaints, the Mi Band 3 charger won't work with Mi Band 4. In fact, I was looking forward for a USB powered capsule like GoKey or Fast Track rather than this old proprietary charger. I mean sure, this USB capsule looks ugly, but 99% of the time it will be in your band. On the flip side, you will never have to worry about carrying a proprietary charger. Overall, the Mi Band 4 isn't a drastic upgrade over Mi Band 3 other than the colored display and inbuilt activity trackers. Now, whether I recommend it or not depends on the price. If Mi Band 4 is able to undercut the Honor Band 4, then it's a no-brainer. It not only have all the features of Honor Band 4, but it also comes with additional features like the Mi ecosystem and integration with third-party application. That being said, keep an eye for the detailed article on techvisor.com and let me know which band are you gonna buy in the comment section below. It's Minal signing off. Thank you for watching.